Liam, there's something I need to tell you.
Sure, Emily. What is it?
It's not easy for me to say this, but I can't keep it to myself anymore.
You're scaring me. What's wrong?
My parents, they've arranged a match for me. They want me to marry someone else.
What? But we are together. Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I didn't know how to. I didn't want to hurt you. But now they've set a date. It's next month.
Emily, I love you. How can they make this decision for you?
Liam, I love you too. But in my family, traditions matter. They believe they're doing what's best for me.
What about what's best for us? Doesn't our love mean anything to them?
It's not just about us, Liam. It's about my family's honor, their expectations. I've always followed their wishes.
So, you're just giving up? After everything we've shared?
It's not giving up. It's accepting reality. I've spent sleepless nights thinking about us, crying over this, but I can't go against them.
I won't let this end like this. I'll talk to them. I'll prove my love for you.
Liam, they've already decided. My father made it clear. They won't listen.
Emily, love is worth fighting for. You're worth fighting for.
I admire your courage, Liam. But I'm trapped. I don't want to lose my family.
And what about losing me? Do I mean so little to you?
You mean everything to me. But I have no choice.
There's always a choice. Emily, please, let me try.
I wish things were different. But I don't want you to waste your life fighting a battle we can't win.
How can you say that? Our love is real. It's strong. Doesn't that matter?
It does. It always will. But sometimes, love isn't enough.
No, I refuse to believe that. I'll keep fighting, Emily, even if you've given up.
Please, don't make this harder. I'll always carry our memories, our love in my heart.
Memories aren't enough for me, Emily. I want you.
I know, and I want you to. But this is goodbye, Liam. For both our sakes.
If this is what you truly want, I won't stop you. But I'll never forget you, Emily.
And I'll never forget you. You've made my life brighter, Liam. Thank you for everything.